everyone! I'm Schoolville's little scientist, Laya. The COVID-19 virus is still here. I'm getting so bored because I cannot go to the park like I used to. Oh! I have a pretty good solution. We can do some fun science experiments! Do you want to join? Wait, you're saying that you might not have some materials? Well, don't worry, because I don't have those science stuff too. But I have things here in our house to make into an exciting experiment! The ingredients and materials will be shown on your screen in 3, 2, 1. See? We just need 5 simple things to make the magic happen. Let's begin. First, we will put our milk into the body of the plate, this part. Don't put too much or we'll have a milk flood. Dun 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 dun! You can use any milk you want, but for this one, I'm using Arla. Next, we put our food coloring. Next step is to get your Q-tip. Use this as our little magic wand. Second step is to put our Q-tip into the dishwashing soap. Lastly, we dip our Q-tip into the milk. If you want more chemical reaction, you can put it in for 10 seconds. This is satisfying, right? And really amazing. But you might be pondering to yourself, how does this happen? Well, I'll tell ya. The milk contains stuff like vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats. Yes, you heard that right. Fats. Wait, why fats? Well, fats in milk don't like so because it weakens it. The water-loving mood will be dissolved into the milk as part of it. Then the water-hating mood will have a free ride into the fats. The fats will roll, twist, and bend as the water-hating mood will race to join the fats. Oh, and one more thing. Do not drink the milk solution. I repeat, do not drink the milk solution. And again, this is your little scientist from Schoolville, Laya.